Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. Wanted to show you our Keep Going first aid pack. We are at the park today and it is hot and humid, and I always keep this on hand now, especially with a toddler, because it just gives me a peace of mind so that I don't have to think about what I have, what I don't have. I can restock as I need to, but they have thought of everything from tick removing to burns to lip balm for those crusty lips sometimes in the winter or even a long day at the beach. So this pack is very well organized. You also have some stickers in the back that they keep back here for when the kids have a big fall. You can reward them for being brave and letting you do what you need to do to clean things up and put a band-aid on with these stickers. So I think that was a nice little touch, but especially for times that we're in right now, this guy right here is going to be a great peace of mind that you have something on hand. Keep this pack in your purse, in your car console. You just need one on hand. It has everything that you might need. Triple antibiotic, different size band-aids. The kids can pick out their own design, so it makes it a little bit more fun for them considering the circumstance. Then you have something like the sting relief pad. I wish I would have had these like a month ago because my toddler got a bee sting on his neck and it was just a whole ordeal, and that would have made it so much easier to deal with. So they've just thought of every kind of situation and have supplies that are also like more traditional for first aid. So y'all check this kit out. I absolutely love it. This is just one size that they offer in one print. They have so much more to choose from, but there's just so much included in here, and it's a compact size. I mean, look, it's like a little wristlet purse, and it's appealing. It doesn't look like a first aid kit, but literally helps us to just keep on dealing with whatever comes our way as a parent. You just never know, especially with toddlers. So y'all give this a try. Highly recommend it.